Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Madam Teacher. My name is Meenakshi. I brought a very short speech, teacher's speech, or I can say teacher's introduction to speak in school morning assembly. And let me tell you that this is for those who just joined new school. Good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear students. My name is Meenakshi Chaudhary. As we are praying to God here, I am thankful to God without whom we can do nothing. I am thankful for the opportunity to introduce myself in the school morning assembly. Basically, I am from Meerut. I am MCom, B.Ed, M.Ed and appointed here as commerce teacher. Teachers play a very important role in shaping the future of their students. As a teacher, it's my responsibility and duty to help my students in all areas and to encourage them to give their best. It would be a great pleasure to share my knowledge and skills to my students. Someone said that continuous learning is a key to success in life. So, we'll learn together. I'm still learning and would love to learn from you all. I assure that I would try my best in providing quality education to develop passion and inspiration for my subject. At the end, I would like to thank you, Principal Sir, for making me the part of this school. Thank you. Have a nice day.